10 untitled French auto manufacturer Citroën left the World Rally Championship (WRC) for the 2005 season, but returned 2 years later to contest for the 2007 crown. The company's comeback was highlighted by an all-new car called the C4 WRC, which replaced the successful Xsara Racing car. Armed with a new engine, lightweight chassis and advanced aerodynamic parts, the C4 held much promise as the car that would return Citroën to the top of the WRC world. The Citroën C4 WRC made its debut in the opening round of the 2008 season, once again in the very capable hands of lead driver Sébastien Loeb. Loeb was on quite a roll in WRC completion at the time, having captured the Drivers' Championship 4 years in a row, the only driver to do so apart from Tommy McKinnon. Loeb started with a bang, as he won the first 3 races of the season. After a dry spell in mid-season, he went on another winning streak in mid-season as he took the check off of rallies 9 through 13. In the 14th round in Japan, Loeb failed to make it to the top of the podium, setting for a 3rd place finish. No matter, leading his rivals in points just before the final round, he secured his 5th Drivers' Championship in a row, a feat no other driver in the WRC has accomplished.